Hello, hello. This is the Awful and Awesome Entertainment Wrap, episode 405. This is Rajesh Sen.
This is Abhinandan Sekhri.
I'm Ankita.
I'm Riya Varghese.
And these
Why are they here?
I don't know. They just walked in and sat down and we gave them 2 mics. No, they are Leah and Ankita, 2 of our subscribers who won what did they win, Abhinandan?
They won the 400th episode quiz for Awful and Awesome.
Yes.
So
And they're so lucky that the bumper prize is to come and spend time with Abhinandan and me. What could be better?
But I mean, in transparency, we must say that although this had nothing to do with them winning, because I only got to know later. In fact, Leah, I walked in here and I saw Aren't you Dhanya's neighbor? Because I've met her at Dhanya's premises. So, and Ankita, I have known for 30 years.
No, I'm not that old. 20 years old.
20, sorry.
18 years.
18.
Yeah, because he was trying to do a calculation for me at one point. I said, then
18,
she was
18.
12 when she worked with you. Because it made no sense
21,
what he was.
22.
Ankita was 21 when she wrote a show with me. And after that, she worked at Small Screen in the production house for 6-8 months.
No, around that much.
But I don't know anyone. So hum sab mile nahi hue hai.
But I also didn't know.
I was going to say, this is not rigged.
Yeah, because I got
it's
a
not
call
rigged,
from
it's
Ankita.
okay.
Said that I've won that quiz and
Huh.
I was like, you're a subscriber. First of all, thank you. I didn't even know you're a subscriber. So thank you so much.
And yeah, I remembered about cycling causing testicular cancer.
So
Because
fake
it does. No, it does.
Does. Okay, now don't.
I will give
You'll
you all
prove
the
it.
news
You'll- yeah,
reports.
you'll
I'm
prove
very
it.
good at
You found
finding
it.
that one news report.
But that
which-
was bike mafia, no? That said that it isn't.
Yeah, like it doesn't, you don't have to get into what kind of site it was, as long as it is.
Right. So before we tell you the headlines, we will be reviewing It Was Just an Accident. It is an Iranian film that was Ankita's choice and she will tell us about that. Ikkis was Leah's choice and she will tell us about that. And to make
I have
sure
a choice also.
to make sure that the show doesn't become too highbrow, Rajshri said we will also review a song of Nora Fateh and Sanjay Dutt, which has lyrics ki wo nikale andar dale boon na giraye type thing. And she was arguing with me about that. I said, can we not argue about this loudly in an office where there are young interns? Like anyone fucking gives a shit about these lyrics. So to make sure that we maintain our trashy quality,
Yeah.
this has been Rajshri's.
This is tearing apart the social fabric of India. So I feel we should talk about it.
Right. But before that, the headlines, Rajshri Sen.
Yes. In good news, One Battle After Another won the best film at the Oscars this year. And Sinners actor Michael B. Jordan won Best Actor. As an aside, what is Michael B. Jordan's father's name? Y'all should know
Michael
this.
A. Jordan.
Correct.
Seriously?
It actually is. Seriously. I
And his
just
son
saw
is
it.
Michael C. Jordan.
Might as well call it. Additionally, Sinners director of photography, Autumn Durald Akapau, became the first woman to win the Oscar for Best Cinematography. Just think, in 98 years, this is the first woman.
Yeah. And in bad news, standing next to One Battle After Another's Javier Bardem.
Javier Bardem.
Javier Bardem. Achha, it's not Javier.
Take
Javier
that.
Bardem.
I'm not scared of what's happening on the side.
Javier Bardem. Priyanka Chopra. Is that Priyanka or Priyanka?
Priyanka.
Priyanka Chopra could
Who's
only
married to?
feign. She's married
Nick
to a singer
Jonas.
with many brothers.
Uh-huh.
Only feign a smile as Bardem spoke of Free Palestine, an act that has led to her being called Dal Gadot. As in, you have also heard the song. Let's get the trash out of the way, then we can discuss
It's not
quality.
trash. This is important.
So, had you heard the song before you
No.
came here and Rajshri
No.
introduced you to it?
No, I hadn't. So when you said it's tearing the fabric apart, it's like how much of the fabric has it reached? Because I hadn't heard
Yeah.
it. It's trash. There's no double.
So the lyrics are...
That people can figure out. You can figure out the lyrics. We cannot. Leah, do you think that there is a... I was saying that there is no vulgar song that just has one meaning. That, like even songs like, Khada Hu. That Anil Kapoor and Juhi
What
Chawla.
about Sarkailo
I just-
Khatia?
Yeah, that one
What
has
is
only
the
one
double meaning?
Only one meaning.
No, let's hear what is the...
But there is nothing
They
that's
don't
vulgar
spell
in
it
it. There's a
out,
Sarkailo ke jada lege that drags Ghatia. I'm feeling cold.
They don't spell
Oh,
it
Jade
out.
mein baba
so
In this,
sweet.
you're saying that it is, according to her,
Huh.
which is true,
It's true.
it is describing the act of
Sex.
copulation
And
describing what organ does what. But I said sure, but there has to be a double meaning. It is like like, Dada Konke's, Uthai lo tora, I don't know, pahad. Whatever it is. But but there has to be another meaning. That cannot be the only meaning.
No, it's
This
a
is single
simple,
meaning.
it's
Single
prosaic,
meaning.
it's single meaning
This is single
song.
meaning.
And
I don't understand how
it's
that's
against the rhythm method, but most importantly,
Could
the
just be bad
lyricist Rakib Alam has said he cannot be held responsible because
Why?
he said, see, the song has not been written by me. It was written in Kannada, and the director told me to do a translation, so I did a translation. So how can I be held responsible? So which he's got a point. So the original is Kannada. Then it's in there 3 versions. We saw Kannada, something, and then Hindi. But there are 2 things. One is that I also worry for Nara Fatehi's. Like, I feel she'll dislocate something one day with the way she's moving. The second, Sanjay Dutt should now retire, I feel.
Yeah.
He doesn't need
Yes.
to
Father
work.
roles.
Nah, what are you saying?
Grandfather roles.
So it's too much.
But before we get into the meat of the show, we have a request, which is this financial year comes to an end on 31st of March, and we are still 2,000 subscribers short of our target. There's a QR code and there's a link in the show notes, and it is very unlike us falling short of our subscriber target because so many of you have been supporting us for so long, and that's a big number for us to fall short of a target for this year. So please click on the link if you're supporting us, convince a friend, a family member, become a subscriber, pay to keep news free. And much of the chaos you see in the world, whether it is the Godi media of America, I don't know whether you saw when Trump came to power, any shit he did, the media defended. And that finally leads to him thinking he can do no wrong, and the world is in the shitter right now. If you have any investment in any asset class, you're fucked. So if you think not having a media that can stand up to power will not impact you, you have no idea how profoundly it will impact you. Therefore, don't leave it to the billionaires of the world. Click, help us make our 2,000 subscriber short target by the 31st of March. On our website, there'll be a counter. So that is our appeal to you. Tell us about the Iranian film, and I must say that very relevant film you picked up, Iranian cinema, because
Not that it made him watch it, but still carry on.
So it was just an accident, won the Palme d'Or at the Cannes last year. It's by Jafar Panahi. Jafar Panahi has made a bunch of other movies while he was under house arrest. And he was banned from making films.
Yeah.
So he was in jail for a while, and he wrote it with one of the people he met in jail. He wrote it with him. And in this movie, there's this, the movie starts with this mechanic. Someone comes into his garage, and he thinks he knows the guy. He thinks that this is the guy who tortured him when he was in jail. And then the next day he goes and kidnaps him. But he was blindfolded. And the only way he thinks that this is the guy is his voice and the fact that he has a peg leg and he can recognize the sound. So he's not sure. So the rest of the movie is him trying to catch hold of the other people who were in jail with him at the same time for
to
the
help
same
him
protest.
identify.
Yeah, to help him identify.
Until then, this guy's tied up.
He's tied up. He's in a box in his van.
My kind
And
of person.
spoiler, you can give.
Okay, no, but there's a very interesting thing first. There's a very, very intense climax to the movie where we find out whether this guy did it or not. Should I seriously tell you?
No, don't say it.
No,
I'll watch it.
It's a good movie. I'll tell you later.
I'll give you my subscription to movie once I renew
You guys
it,
take
and
my
then-
subscription to movie. I'll watch it.
Yeah.
What a conjuice. You make it seem
I'll
like...
make you pay for my subscription and then I'll give you the
Please.
password.
This is what people are doing
don't
for
want
news laundry.
2,000 subscribers and 2,001 for this financial year because one of those can then fund a movie subscription, please.
I've not been following the Oscars for the last 2-3 years. I've kind of lost interest in the whole
But I
process.
watched it.
You watched 3.5 hours?
Fast forward. You can. It's
She
on
even
Hotstar.
live.
Dude,
No, it's
she
on
watches
Hotstar.
like the full season of Big Boss. Who are you talking
No,
to?
I
She's
used
a true
to.
pro.
I
That
used
is
to
true.
when I was younger. I had to write on it.
When you
So
were
there
younger,
I was
you were till
paid
last
money.
2 years ago you were
Shut
watching
up.
it, dude.
No, I watched when Ravi Kishan was on it.
That show
That
of
must be 10 years
the
back.
13 episodes of the...
That Bollywood
Bollywood.
Housewives.
You-
Housewives.
you
tried to make
cringe
me-
watch,
Wives.
no.
That
That's
you
hate
can
watch,
watch.
cringe watch.
There were so
I
many
tried,
people
tried.
we knew also.
On Big Boss?
No, on Bollywood Wives. Big Boss,
I
I
should
watched
have
the
gone.
Sunny Leon one. I watched first few ones I had watched. But I was paid to watch it. So
that's
it's
The
okay.
Big Boss people came here to get me to get on Big Boss.
Really?
You didn't listen to that episode?
No.
I took a poll also saying that in
I
case
thought
go
he
up,
should
I-
have been part of
that
it.
I could make more money
Would they
for
have
News
paid you?
Laundry. I didn't discuss financials,
They
but
would
they
have.
did indicate that it will be worth your while. That
Yeah.
someone will get to know you. That it will. But
No,
anyway,
but they would have paid you also. It's not
Yeah,
like they
like
would have
good
just
money.
given you publicity. They would have paid you good money, but he thought that he
But I had
will
to get into
go-
fights with Kamala Khan and all.
You don't
Yeah.
have
You
to
might
get
have
into. You
enjoyed it
would
also.
have gotten.
You would
to
have.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
might have
you
liked
would have.
fighting.
You
no,
would
I
have been.
wouldn't.
If you're locked up in that ugly place,
Why
that
would I
they,
get into fights?
because you are such a peacenik. Abhinandan's never had an argument with anyone.
Yeah.
You worked with him,
Yeah,
right? So
yeah.
you know what a
So
good,
calm.
calm and good natured. He's
Yeah.
very good natured.
Yeah,
That's
I
the
know.
Okay,
one.
so you did you agree or disagree with any of the awards?
Sinners I haven't watched, so I can't really say whether
Have
they
you seen
should have.
Barty Supreme?
No.
I haven't seen
But I don't want to watch a film
Same.
on ping pong. A full film on, but I will. When
Can
it
I just
comes
say
on,
something, Rajyasree
on that,
Sen?
what?
You made me fucking watch a film on baseball, which I walked out of.
Which even I walked out of. Why are you
Which one?
making it
Who
sound
dropped
like
you
I
home?
was going to sit with
Which
it?
one was
No.
What movie is it?
It was very bad. It was John Hamm was in it.
Oh yeah, I haven't seen it, but I
No,
know John. I
like
know when John
un-
Hamm's in something.
unbearable.
I'm just asking, had you not walked out, who would have dropped you home?
I would have taken an auto. I'm an independent woman. What do you think? But a full film on ping pong. Also, I'm not a big Chalamet
Same.
fan.
Yeah.
I find him, and now he's dating that Kylie Jenner. His personal life is also impacting my opinion
You know,
of him.
it's
I'm
not a
just
gossip
saying.
show. This is a
Serious.
It's not a gossip
serious.
show. What
No.
are you saying?
So, Leah,
I got the brief wrong.
Yeah, you're right.
It's a serious.
Even I got the brief
Yeah.
wrong. For all
So
these
long.
years, I've got the brief wrong. What are you saying?
After 400
Yeah.
episodes, you
Yeah,
realize.
now he's telling me. What is it? A current affair show? But we are going to discuss Ikkis, which Leah recommended. Ikkis has been directed by Sriram Raghavan, who I'm usually a big fan of, although last film wasn't good. No?
The Merry Christmas.
Yeah, that was not. It was because Katrina Kaif can't act, so
Yeah,
it becomes
she-
very difficult
Yeah, she
to take her seriously. You know, you would watch Merry Christmas. She commits a murder. She and that
I
guy,
watched
what's his name? He's very well known.
the South
Vijay
Indian actor.
Sethupathi.
Yeah.
Vijay
Vijay
Sethupathi.
No, I haven't watched
It was a bit of a stretch, Merry
Niku,
Christmas.
you watched it and then said, explain why it's not possible, the logic. This is so difficult, this show nowadays.
It's become a memory test.
It's a memory test now. We watched it and you said that this is why it's not making sense.
Okay.
Which was also a good reason, but
Yeah.
it basically does not make sense.
I see.
But Sriram Raghavan has directed it, and it most importantly, okay, it's about Arun Khetarpal, who's a real person who is the youngest Paramveer Chakra winner in India. And in the 1971 India-Pakistan war, and it's called Ikkis because he was Ikkis when he died. I did not get, everyone said, so the reason I watched it also was that it is really good to see an anti-war film. I did not get. It is pro-war, according to me. It is showing
Maybe you
Indian soldiers
understand it.
going in. No, I tried to. I'm very smart.
Let's get Leah's point of view.
Did you
Leah, did
feel
you watch
that
the
it
show?
was
Now
a-
tell us, review the film for us.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think it shouldn't have been marketed as an anti-war film at all. So just to explain why people said it was anti-war. So Dharmendra's character goes to Lahore for his school reunion, and this Jaideep Ahlawat,
It's the host.
he is the host. He knows that he is the one who has shot this Dharmendra's son. So he
During the war.
during the war. Okay, and he engineers this whole thing that the father comes and stays with him and all, and finally he tells him that I am the person who shot your
And
son.
he forgives him.
And he forgives him.
So that is the act of magnanimity,
So-
as opposed to him taking revenge, basically.
Yeah. I think it should have been marketed as a film about forgiveness because I think it's a
Yeah.
great act of forgiveness, and it's a true story. This actually happened.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
it's a
Wow.
so they
true story.
have the pictures of the two men together and
It actually happened. He stayed with this Pakistani army person, and this actually happened. So it's a beautiful story about forgiveness.
Yeah.
And
Wow.
that is very rare in our society. So I thought it should have been marketed as a story about forgiveness. And I think many people were like, oh, this is too much. But I'm like, it actually happened.
No, it happened, and
People-
that is what should be
No, that
celebrated.
I think forget. I
Forget.
mean, even
I don't want to watch a war film. I don't think there's anything to celebrate a war. I'm not a big fan. I'm a big peacenik in that sense.
who
But-
fooled me.
Yeah, I don't believe in war. I believe in whacking people who are
You just
rude
believe
to
in
me.
fighting.
No,
And just
Hand
being
to hand combat.
No.
and just being generally an obnoxious, disagreeable person.
I would not want to
Kill
go
someone,
to
just beat them
war
up.
with a Pakistani, but if a Pakistani person came and annoyed me, I'd definitely want to whack them. There's a difference. Shooting
And
and
that is not true for one nationality. You
all
would do that.
across, or I'm like John Lennon. I believe there should be no borders, all that. So that doesn't matter. My sense of what diplomacy should be is a different matter. But in the current environment, to watch a war film like this, because I'm a big fan of Guns of Navarro, Apocalypse Now. So an anti-war film to me is Apocalypse Now. That film,
Yeah.
that is exactly what they are telling you.
Platoon also. No?
Platoon, no good will come out of war.
So great, but thank you so much, Leah. Thank you so much, Ankita, for coming. Thank you for your support.
Thank you.
you for paying to keep news free. Pleasure. We should, in fact, get you, again on the
Next time,
podcast.
right.
And we should then watch everything I will watch. I know.
Yeah,
I'm
we
talking to
were
myself.
saying
Not we. I should watch.
This is like during that Louis Theroux documentary, one of those chaps is looking at the camera and he's saying, so today we are going to be doing, so Louis Theroux, he says, who are you talking to? So the guy says to the camera, he said, no, it's a documentary. You talk to me. You don't talk to the camera. So the guy says, oh, because that's the way they do you're like,
So I'm like Andrew Tate.
no, Andrew Tate refused to talk to him.
Oh, okay. So we'd like to thank our sound recordist Anil, our producer Priyali. Thank you, Miss Chavla. Thank you, Miss Leah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Sen.
Thank you, Mr. Sekri.
And it's a wrap.
Journalism at News Laundry is powered by the public, because when the public pays, the public is served. Visit newslaundry.com/subscription and pick a payment plan of your choice. Pay to keep news free and independent. Your future, and indeed the future of democracy, depends on it.